Do-it-yourself Del. We've got some, looks like banana. Is this banana? Oh, strawberry cream milk. And the first thing I notice is that the saturated fat is really high. So we're talking 11 and 22. And it's got a little bit of cholesterol. It's 250 calories for 1 cup, which is 8 ounces, 12. And 6 and 12, 12% carbs, no fiber, 38% sugar. So it's got a great amount of calcium, sugar, and saturated fat. And cholesterol is 12%. Out of all the products we've been reviewing, I think that 12% is the high. So here we got some what do we have in here? Whipped cream, and is there pudding underneath there?
No, it's just cream.
Just whipped cream. Okay. So what's the idea? We're going to pour this into there?
A little bit, yeah.
Okay, so we have to shake this up?
Sure.
So this is our second attempt at one of our commenters suggested well, that was banana milk, and this is strawberry, which we've already done.
We're covering our bases.
So we're covering our bases. So we've done the strawberry before. So I should have brought a spoon with me. I think there's some right there. Looks pretty good. This stuff isn't strawberry colored. Thanks. It's not strawberry colored, but let's see. Smells strawberry like, and so here we got the whipped cream and the strawberry.
It's like a breakfast dessert.
Okay.
Like you woke up from breakfast, you watched a little TV, now you want a little dessert.
So we're a little out of sorts here. We're a little bit too late in the day for breakfast, but we'll make do with it. See how we go with it. We'll suffer through it. So I think I'm to the point where I can start sipping this. I'll maybe get a little bit more of the whipped cream out of the way. And so this is Primo Pastures, private selection. So private selection, Primo Pastures, and it's your strawberry and cream milk, ultra pasteurized. So let's take a little sip. Yeah, I definitely put this in my cereal. Kind of taste the richness. And 250 calories for 8 ounces. That's a little bit up there. Yeah, let's see. It even looks like it's got some protein in it. No, it doesn't have any protein. But it's got the calcium and the potassium. So. Here's the whole idea behind this. Decadent indulgence. That's what this is all about. It says so right on the package. Sweet, delicate, decadent indulgence. Now that's really high up there on the list of pleasures. And takes a lot of saturated fat and fat to get up to decadent indulgence, but they worked at it and they got it. So this is
it's like drinking cake.
So they're talking 4 servings per container. It seems like there'd be more than that in there because this is kind of heavy, but boy, this stuff's something. These are why my shirts don't fit. That and my doctor insisted that I can't stay light anymore. Decadent indulgence, what can I say? So that's what the package looks like, and that's the deal with that. This is something. And it even shows the whipped cream, so you got to have the whipped cream with it. And folks, there's a way of making whipped cream on your own. And what were those ingredients again that we were using the other day, that your mother used?
Don't know.
Well, I've seen it made right in front of me, and I helped her do with that batter thing going around and
I think powdered sugar and
powdered was powdered sugar in there.
I don't know.
I don't think so because
I'm not
I
my
didn't
mom.
I didn't see her put anything like that in there. I don't think it was that. But at any rate, you can make your own whipped cream. I used to buy mine in the store fat free, so it's possible. I don't think it's around too much anymore, but you can used to be able to get it fat free anyway.
Well, if you make it on your own, you got to scoop out the fat.
Yeah, I suppose. Maybe that's why they don't make it anymore. It's too much trouble doing that. But at any rate, whipped cream. It shows you right on the package. And that's it for our decadent indulgent private selection Primo Pastures. Primo Pastures. There it is.